This is a 2014 model, right?
Huh?
This is a 2014 model.
It is, buddy.
I have Asperger's and I know about fire trucks.
You're awesome. I'll go around.
I've always wanted to ride in this truck. So afterwards I want to help out at a station afterwards. Next week if I can too. Also, are you familiar with the summer hire program? Jesse Rico said that about it.
You ready, buddy?
Yes, sir.
All right.
I would love the siren, maybe.
Born ready, I know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Siren 2.
Is that you?
I would love to hear the siren.
Alright, we're gonna drop it on the clock real quick.
Yeah.
What do you want to fill it up? You want to drop him back on?
Yeah. Turn on the siren and the horn.
Back at the right?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
It would be cool if you honked the horn and the siren.
There we go.
Siren?
The siren too?
Ha
Oh, buddy.
Yelp. I'm gonna brag to my friends all about this.
Awesome. You're gonna show them the video too, huh?
Yeah. I might post on Instagram if that would be okay.
All right, buddy. All right.
Yes, sir.